Power BI is a great analytics tool, but why do we need it? Let's start with the alternatives. We all know Excel, which is great for basic data analysis. For instance, Alan here manages a grocery store and uses Excel to track total monthly sales. This works at a high level, but now Alan wants to see how specific departments and items are trending. He needs raw sales data for this, where the cash register logs each sale to a relational database in the back end. With thousands of customers per day, this database grows to have millions of records in it, which is too much to work with in Excel. Alan can write SQL code to aggregate the data in a query and export the summarized data to Excel, but it's a lot of time and effort for him to learn the SQL syntax, and he'd have to update and rerun the query every time he needs to change the filter. Enter Power BI. Power BI allows him to connect to the database and transform the data from a nice user interface, which is much easier than learning a bunch of code. He can then make a dashboard of interactive visuals, allowing him to filter to specific departments and items with the click of a button. Power BI also provides a service to share that dashboard with coworkers over the internet, where the dashboard refreshes automatically. Just set it and forget it. Because of these capabilities, Power BI has taken off to be one of the most common reporting tools in the data analytics world, and it's one of our core tools here at Daily Data. To learn more about Power BI and other use cases, check out our blog post about it, which has a link in the description. Got any ideas on how you could use it? Feel free to drop a comment below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.